I had a few recent requests to reload the best part from a past video about one of the funniest things that a van owner could ever experience. Please enjoy.
Where this mother gets 2 pieces of candy from the guy in the white van that says candy and puppies, is that what it says? Free candy and puppies, it says on the side of that van down by the football field. He's waiting down there. He has a clown mask on. I don't know why he still has a clown outfit on, but he's waiting.
Now, I didn't even know that announcer, even to this day. He had no idea that I was standing there with my GoPro recording, and I had no idea that he was about to make fun of my poor, defenseless van parked by itself at the trailhead, roughly 400 yards away. Just a little white dot in the distance. You can barely even tell it's a van from that far away. Make no mistake about it, I laughed hysterically when I heard the announcer make the cliché stereotypes. The opportunity was there, so can you really blame him for making a joke? If you're new to the channel, please check out some of my other videos and consider subscribing. Thanks for laughing at van jokes with me today, and I'll see you next time.